I mean, I have something I want to say.
Sure.
I want to say that the little bit I've looked into what you guys are doing, that resonates with me as being an awesome thing to do, to take the next generation under your wing and say, now here's an opportunity to grow. Here's an opportunity to learn a trade, to learn it well, to do it right. And that's what we need. That's what we need in this world, is to give opportunity to everybody to learn, to grow, and then to take off and run. You know, this country's built on really the concept of apprenticeship, where you take somebody under your wing and raise them up, and you're actually expecting them at some point not to stick with you their whole life, but to move on and actually grow. And that's a key, it's a key fundamental. That's why I am excited about this project, because it resonates with where my heartbeat is. And even myself, I have already trained at least one of my own competitors in this field. Worked for me for 10 years and then moved on. And some people say, well, why aren't you mad about it? Because I feel that's what makes me feel successful, is that somebody could come under my wing and learn their trade good enough to go out and do it themselves and reproduce it themselves, and even take it further than I've taken it. To me, that makes me feel successful.
So where were you last night? How personal.
You start out with basic stuff.
My name is Brian Schmidt. We're at Landis Graphics. We do signs, truck lettering, wraps on vehicles, kind of all over the place that way. We do custom design, logos, and full vehicle designs. So,
Where's Landis Graphics located?
we are in Satterton, PA.
How long have you been working for Landis Graphics?
I have been here since 2003. I started in high school.
And specifically, your position and what you provide, what you do is you design?
I'm the production manager, main point of contact. I do the design and the all the setup of the jobs and printing and all that side of things, getting it ready for install.
So look, I need to stay about a half a car length ahead of you, so
Okay.
we get the angle he wants.
Okay.
All right?
So this won't be in the way?
No,
Okay.
I'm making it work out.
Okay.
You good? Roll.